Hi people, today I watched a documentary by Galina Konsheva about the basements of the Sakievsky Cathedral. Uh, this is Monferran, the architect. Look at his cross, and this is the cathedral. It's famous for those columns, and she's like putting the paper inside the columns and it's kind of supporting the theory that they are made of concrete. And she also points that this is a concrete column, and so also those bronze basements of each column are very splendid because they have not very much composure, so it's like unique, and all those columns look like columns with this concrete type of artificial stone, and it's falling apart. Look at this polished outside layer which is falling apart, and the rough layers appear underneath. And she also points at symbolism in this cathedral, like she points like the birds look like airplanes, and all those angels might be people with these wings, so-called angels, could be flying because they were flying on airplanes, or maybe hover wings like this, or even hoverboards. And this is very brings me to thinking about my decoding stuff.
Борт или ковер-борт. Короче, ковер-самолет.
Yeah, this is how it sounds in Russian. So it's ковер самолет. It's like airplane, which is the carpet, magic carpet. And this could be a very good decoding this time, because all those different emblems contain the winds, and paintings of 19th century also do contain winds, like these magic carpets of Vasnitsov painting could be actually not only just Russian fairy tale motif, but it could be also representing so-called hovering or anti-gravitational technologies, which could be massive, constructed pretty much soon and implemented in every community, because prototypes are already there and we're just waiting for those prototypes to come out. So the Flying Carpet Airlines is definitely mocking us, because actually the carpet could represent the comfort of the flying procedure. And magic carpet also, in fairy tales, it could almost like teleport, or bring it so immediately that person could even not notice. So the technology of teleporting already been discussed by my videos, and it could be also partial teleportation, or partial movement, or portals, and even some telephone cabins. So it's not fantastic, right? Not only because we know about Marty McFly and his hoverboard conspiracy and all those so-called movies that represented it, and also fantastic shows, but it could be also some idea of hovering and so-called anti-gravity floating. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you later. Bye.